Good afternoon, y'all, and welcome to the, progress update for everything that's been going on today. Let's flip y'all around so you can see what we've done so far. They have dug the lines for the pipes for the plumbing and flattened out more dirt for plumbing, and they have put I think they're gonna put the forms in, or maybe they've already done that. I don't know. I've been kind of watching movies off and on all day because I'm still kind of trying to recover from Thanksgiving. For those of y'all that host Thanksgiving in your family, I share solidarity. I'm still pretty tired, but here is the progress update. So the bulldozer machine is actually digging in the ground to place the plumbing pipes, I believe. So let's see what they're doing. As you can see, the crew has been hard at work. Oh, also, if you can see, some of the area has been roped off and taped off for certain work areas, so that's pretty exciting. I'm sorry I wasn't filming much this afternoon. I was eating lunch and watching movies on HBO, stuff like that. Just kind of relaxing a little bit. As you can see, there is the orange piece of machinery, and I'm not sure what they're doing, but we will find out together. I think what he's doing is maybe grabbing dirt and flattening it out elsewhere. I'm not quite sure yet, but I will let you know. As y'all can see, the crew members are slowly shoveling dirt to put more stuff there. And the bulldozer has made yet another pile of dirt. That way y'all can see better. Yeah, I think what they're doing over here is digging holes for the plumbing. I'm not quite sure. And this big dirt pile, again, I don't know what it is, but I will let you know as soon as I find out. yeah, I think they're definitely digging holes for the plumbing or the whatever. But this is definitely a learning process for everyone in my family, so let's just sit back and enjoy it together, shall we? See, they're marking off the lines of where the plumbing should go. That's why the gentleman has that spray paint can, I think. If y'all will excuse me for a few minutes, I'm gonna go take a breathing treatment because I've had a little bit of a chest cold since we got back from Arkansas. It was beautiful and I would definitely recommend it, but I would not recommend bringing a chest cold back with you. So I will be right back and we'll continue the process. Hey y'all, I'm back from my breathing treatment. Let's see what the progress looks like now. Looks like they're measuring a lot of stuff and also standing in a pile of dirt. But we're definitely a lot further along than when we started a couple of days ago. I can tell you that right now. The company we have is Weaver and Jacobs, and from our personal experience, we have had crews out here almost every day, outside of Thanksgiving, obviously, and they have worked extremely well and extremely fast. So if y'all are local or in the area, I highly recommend using them for any building projects that y'all might have. Morning, y'all, and we are back at it again with the crew of workers, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm having for breakfast this morning. This here is a mixed berry smoothie. It has 1 cup of milk, 1 packet of chocolate vegan Shakeology, a couple handfuls of frozen berries, which are from the Aldi frozen fruit selections. Um, a clementine and a banana. You blend it up and it is just amazing and delicious. But that's not why we're here this morning. Let's go show you what they did so far. So my dad just informed me that the plumbers are coming out here today, which means that either one of the two project managers will be coming out here today. So we are moving along smoothly, and my dad said if it's who he thinks it is going to be, which I hope so, he said that I could interview one of the project managers because not only are they working on our house, but they're also one of our dearest, oldest family friends. So I hope that that happens, and if it does, y'all will know within a couple of clips whether or not it's him or the other project manager coming to visit today. In other news, today is the last video that you will ever see me in this chair, because at about 12:30, or I guess, yeah, 12:30, my mom is coming home because at about 1 o'clock, I am getting a new chair. We're about a week out from my best friend's wedding, and that was the only requirement that we had as far as like timelines went. That was the only requirement, was that it had to be done before December 11th, which is when my best friend and the love of her life are going to get married. And you know what? We're a week out, almost, but our new salesman friend, he came through with the needing to complete the project before the due date of December 11th. So we're very excited, and I can't wait to show you guys how I learned to transfer in a new chair. But for now, let's get back to your regularly scheduled programming. And here is said orange piece of machinery again. But as y'all can see from yesterday's update, there we go, y'all can see a lot better. As y'all can see from yesterday's update, we have come a long way in the 2 weeks that we've started this project, because we started it 4 days before my 26th birthday, which I take that as a true sign from God himself, because he pretty much knew that when we lost Oma, I think, without going into too much detail, I think they kind of planned this out together as like my last birthday present from her, if you will. So, as I said before in the first video, I will take every sign from her that I can get, I will take every sign from her that I can get throughout this entire house building process. And that's all there is to it. So, as y'all can see from the previous clip, there's been a ton more work done since I finished my breakfast, and I would love to show y'all what they've done so far. They have started I think there's been more trucks come out since I finished my breakfast, but the plumbing company is supposed to come out today, and I think that is its truck over in the next window pane. But we are definitely moving very quickly, and for that I am extremely pleased. Good morning, y'all. As you guys can see, I am in a new wheelchair this morning, so I will turn you around and I will flip y'all around and show y'all what it looks like. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. I will just describe it because I can't really show you guys right now, but it is it is red, and it has a stability plate for my feet, and it's actually a lot smoother to drive, so to speak, and so that was really neat. The cushion feels like a cloud, which is amazing, and so without further ado, let's click back in to what you guys are really here for. Let's go see what the progress update is. So, for breakfast this morning, I went ahead, of course, as always, with my morning healthy milkshake, and it's the same mixed berry combo with chocolate, as always. I was gonna throw an orange in there, but it was too full, so I had to throw the orange in the garbage. But that's normally my go-to in the mornings, and so it's actually been pretty tasty. But I am almost out of my mixed berry blend, so my mom went ahead last night and pulled down some more fruit combinations for me to have, and so I will be keeping all up to date with that. Also, we are about a week and a also we're about a week and a half out from my very best friend's wedding, and so I've been really trying hard to stick with healthier eating and such, because I do have a bridesmaid dress to fit in too. So this is kind of like another accountability post. But anyway, let's go over to the window and see what the progress is now. So as promised, yesterday they began putting in the plumbing pipes, which is very exciting. And you might be able to see a closer angle because of my new chair, but I am working with the best that I have, so please be patient with that. And as always, our crew is very hard at work, and we could not be more thankful or excited. If y'all can see out there, there is the start of plumbing pipe. I'm not sure what they're doing today, but I think they're completing that task. I will let y'all know as soon as we have further updates. Unfortunately, that is all the time we have for this episode. But if you enjoyed it, please feel free to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, because we're going on some crazy fun adventures. And as always, the greatest compliment that y'all can give me is a referral. That means that if you see someone who needs happiness or positivity in their day, then please feel free to send them my link and I will be happy to help them in any way possible within reason. Also, side note, if you enjoyed what you saw and would like to leave a tip or a donation down below, please feel free to do so at www.buymeacoffee.com/GoReagan, where all tips, proceeds, and donations will go back directly towards the channel itself, and as always, are greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for joining in, and have a blessed week. I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.